Today, let's talk about why we sneeze.
Sneezing is a natural body reflex. It helps protect the airways by clearing irritants and germs. Dust and irritants can trigger sneezing. The nose reacts to clear them. Allergies may cause repeated sneezes. Cold air can also trigger sneezing.
Sneezing helps remove unwanted particles. It keeps nasal passages clear. Did you know that bright light can trigger sneezing? This is common in some people. Sneezing happens at all ages. It is usually harmless. Most sneezes stop quickly. No treatment is usually needed. Frequent sneezing is uncommon. It often settles on its own. Persistent concerns need attention. Sharing this could help someone today.